Hello guys, today we're checking out the iBUYPOWER Y40 Pro Black Gaming Desktop, a machine that instantly feels like more than just a gaming PC. The first time you power it on, you can tell right away this system is built to handle everything from high-end gaming to serious creative workloads without slowing down. At the heart of the Y40 Pro is the AMD Ryzen 9 7900X, a fast 1-2 core processor that flies through demanding tasks. Pair that with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 Ti with 16 GB of VRAM, and you've got a desktop that can run modern AAA titles, edit 4K video, tackle 3D rendering, and even handle AI-based tools smoothly. Even with heavy multitasking, the performance stays rock solid thanks to 32 GB of DDR5 RGB memory. Storage is just as impressive, with a 2 TB NVMe SSD that makes load times feel almost non-existent. Games launch instantly, and transferring large files is quick and effortless, which is a huge bonus for creators and power users. The design is another standout, featuring the sleek Y40 Pro case with tempered glass panels and vibrant RGB lighting that looks amazing on any desk. Cooling is handled by a 240mm liquid cooler and multiple RGB fans, keeping the system quiet and stable even under pressure. Overall, the iBUYPOWER Y40 Pro is a fast, powerful, and visually stunning desktop that's perfect for gamers, creators, and anyone who wants a future-ready setup. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.